morning, children. Hello, everyone. I'm Pooja, your computer teacher. Welcome you all in this tutorial. Today, we are going to learn about the chapter 4 editing in Word. So, let's start. Now, here, uh, before starting this topic, I would like to tell you about MS Word. Okay, MS Word is a word processing software. Word processing means that's deal with word. Okay, that process that work with word, the alphabet, the text. Okay, it is used to create a document. There are many word processing such as WordPad, Notepad, etc. It used to create a document. Documents means file. Okay, file. This book, your book is a kind of document, and it is created with the help of this word document. Okay, there are many word processor software are also available. So, word processor such as WordPad, Notepad, etc. Okay, and this MS Word is also a type of one of the word processor. Okay, um, but this word processor is more popular and important than MS Word and Notepad, because this word processor has many feature other than this uh, Notepad and WordPad, other word processor. Okay, so we are going to learn about this MS Word 2010 in this. Features are given on page number 32. You may see some of the features are: we can change existing text. Okay, existing means the word that we have already typed, or the document that we have already typed. Okay, or the text we have already typed, means typed and saved. We can copy, move text. We can cut, copy and paste some text, means from here if we want to cut and paste here, we can make use of this. Okay, we can do it by using of this MS Word. Spelling also we can check and correct. Okay, and we can count number of word, how many number of words are there in the document. Okay, we can set the line of the text. Okay, a line means to show the some text at right side, some text at left side. Okay, some picture as right side, left side, or bottom right side, top left side. Okay, etc. Next is we can find and replace the text easily if we have huge amount of information or the content or the text. Then if we want to find out a single word, so we can find it. Okay, so MS Word has this feature to find the text and word easily in from the document. We can make our text attractive, we can format that, we can as we create document or project work we create for other subject as we get. So similarly we give many text style, color style. Okay, we put some stars or the symbol or the stickers. That all we can do using this MS Word software, using this software. Okay, and we can insert picture also and table also. Okay, easily you can add the picture in your document, as your book has many picture icons, you can see. Okay, and you can preview the document before printing. You can get print also, and before the printing you can what you can do, you can see the preview. Now next topic is this uh, Windows of MS Power, sorry, Windows of Microsoft Word. You can see the picture of Microsoft Word here. Okay, so we are going to discuss about it. This is File tab. This is not the File tab, this is Home tab. Here you will see this one is the File tab. Okay, this one, the circle, actually it is of 2007, that's why here it is little difference um, in the screen. Okay, now this one is the title bar because it shows the title of the document, that is document 1 Microsoft Word. Okay, and this part is the ribbon. You can see this is the ribbon. When you click on insert, you will get the ribbon. When you click on reference tab, these are the tab: file, home, insert, page layout, reference, mailing, review, view. These all are the tabs. And when you click on this all tab, you will get the ribbon have all the feature of a particular tab. Okay, now this is scroll bar help you to go up and down. Okay, you have seen the some of the part of the document page. Okay, the rest part are hidden downside, so you can see, you can scroll down or you can use this button and click on this. You will go down and you can see the hidden part of the document. Now next one is document area. As you know, the page, white page you have seen here, this white page is called the document area, where you add or you keep your object means it may be text, picture, table, etc. Okay, now this one is called the status bar, where the status of your cursor will show. Cursor is this, the line that blink after each second. Okay, so this is called cursor, the vertical bar. Okay, now it's showing that page 1 of 1 means you are having only one page in this. Okay, and 0 word you have added, just now you have written 0 word. Okay, status bar also show us the different views of document you can use, and the zoom in zoom out part of the document. If you do zoom in, then it will be zoom more, means it will view bigger than the screen is showing. So